Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fold an origami art bookmark. It's a very simple model that I created a couple of years ago, and it looks very similar to the traditional origami art, but it has a slightly different shape. And as you can see, the traditional art tends to open like this, but this one has a locking system on the back so that it does not open. And it has a flap here so that you can use it as a bookmark, like this.
This model is an original origami model that I created. You will not find it anywhere else. So don't forget to subscribe for more easy and fun origami models. Thank you!
To fold the origami art bookmark, you need a square piece of paper, and if your paper has a white side, put it on top, then fold the square vertically, mark the fold and unfold. Fold the square horizontally. Mark the fold and unfold. Then bring this corner to the center. And bring this other corner to the center as well. Then bring this edge to the middle. And now we're going to bring this edge to the vertical axis here. Mark the fold well. Repeat on the other side. Turn the model over and bring the top tip to the bottom tip. Mark the fold well. Then fold this corner down like this and unfold it a little bit and open one layer and rotate this flap so that you can flatten it like this after. And this will help to lock your art so that it does not open. Then repeat on the other side, and in fact you can do it in one go. Just put your finger in there and you can flatten directly like this. Now we just need to round a little bit the corners, so just make a small fold here, mark the fold well, and repeat on the other side. Turn the model over, and your art bookmark is complete.
I hope you like this origami art bookmark. It's a very simple origami model, but it looks very beautiful. If you fold this art for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, or any other occasion, please send me some pictures so that I can show them in future videos. It's always a great pleasure to see pictures of the origami models that you fold. Thank you very much for sending them. I publish new origami videos every week. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified. It also encourages me a lot to create more fun and easy origami models. Thank you very much, happy Valentine's Day, and happy folding!